morning dear students. My name is Shashank Varma and today I am going to discuss symmetry part 2. So student, in previous video we discussed about the introduction, what is symmetry, how to find out line of symmetry, and student in this video we will discuss some question of RS Agrawal and NCERT. ठीक है ना? तो now let's start. This is exercise 13.1. ठीक है ना? तो in 13.1 स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ फर्स्ट इज गिवन कि लिस्ट एनी 4 सिमेट्रिकल ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है ना, व्हिच इज फाउंड इन योर स्कूल. इट इज गिवन लिस्ट 4 सिमेट्रिकल ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम योर होम आर स्कूल. तो देखो, जैसे इन योर स्कूल लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग यू कैन फाइंड आउट. जैसे यू कैन फाइंड आउट टेबल टॉप यू कैन फाइंड आउट सम आई विल राइट डाउन, सम यू विल राइट डाउन, ठीक है ना. और यू कैन राइट डाउन व्हाट your blackboard, you can write down because blackboard is the form of rectangle. Blackboard. And what you can find out, pair of scissor, ठीक है ना. देखो many things you can find out, some I written and some you will write down yourself, ठीक है ना. So many things is in your school and your home, ठीक है. So first question. In next question, what is given? For the given figure, which one is the mirror line, L1 or L2? देखो, one diagram is given, student. One diagram is given. This is your diagram. This is first line, or this one is second line. देखिए. L1 and L2 it is given. This is L2, this is L1. अब देखो, it is given in the question कि which one is the mirror line, ठीक है ना. Which one is the mirror line? So don't be confused, student. Mirror line means you have to find out line of symmetry. Clear everyone? So I think now you are able to distinguish which line is correct line of symmetry. देखो, if any student mark L1 is the line of symmetry, so this is wrong. Why? देखो, L1 divides this diagram. This is 5 side pentagon. तो L1 divides pentagon in 2 parts. But देखो, this part is in the form of triangle and this part is in the form of rectangle. It means this is incorrect because symmetry means both parts should be identical. But if you will find out L2, देखो L2 divides the diagram in 2 equal parts. देखो, this part, this side and this side, both are identical. ठीक है ना. You can write down L2 is the mirror line or line of symmetry. Anything you can write down. Clear students? Why? Because L2 is the line which divides the diagram in 2 equal and identical parts, but L1 is not. Clear? Due to this we are writing L2 is the mirror line. Clear everyone? चलिए, come to the next question, student. All questions are very easy and simple. Next question is given. Next question, student, some diagram is given, ठीक है ना. Identify the shape given below. Check whether they are symmetrical or not. अब जैसे one I will show only one diagram. देखो, this type of example I explained in previous video. जैसे this is given your diagram. अब you have to find out you can draw the line of symmetry or not. Only you have to find out you can draw the line of symmetry or not. देखो, in this diagram how you can find out line of symmetry, student? If you will draw this is straight line, you can find out line of symmetry because this straight line divides this diagram into equal and identical part, ठीक है ना. तो only you have to draw the line of symmetry in the given diagram, ठीक है ना. So many diagrams are given, rest of them you will solve yourself. Another I am going to show, जैसे this diagram, ठीक है ना. तो how you will find out student line of symmetry? You will find out this type of line of symmetry. तो देखो, this horizontal line divides the diagram into equal part, so this is our line of symmetry. Clear everyone? So by this we will find out your diagram. Okay, now next question, question number 5. देखिए, 5 is given in the figure L1, L is the line of symmetry. Complete a diagram to make it symmetric. देखो, one diagram is given. This is your diagram, ठीक है ना स्टूडेंट. देखो सिमेट्री व्हाट आई एक्सप्लेन, आइडेंटिकल एंड इक्वल फिगर। तो देखो दिस पार्ट यू विल ड्रॉ द सेम पार्ट इन डाउन साइड, यू विल ड्रॉ द सेम पार्ट इन डाउनवर्ड साइड लाइक दैट। अब देखो क्लियरली यू कैन सी दिस इज आवर लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, ठीक है ना। देखो बोथ आर इक्वल पार्ट एंड आइडेंटिकल पार्ट, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, यू ड्रॉ लाइक दिस, ठीक है ना। ओनली दिस इज द पॉसिबल, ठीक है। तो बाय दिस यू कैन ड्रॉ द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, ठीक है ना। और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज आल्सो बेस्ड ऑन सेम पैटर्न, यू विल डू योरसेल्फ, ठीक है ना। यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, ट्राई टू डू योरसेल्फ, ठीक है ना। चलिए एक्सरसाइज 13.2, एक्सरसाइज 13.2 देखिए स्टूडेंट, इन दिस स्टूडेंट आल्सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, सो मेनी डायग्राम आर गिवन, तो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री। जैसे सिंपल वन डायग्राम है, this is what, this is square, another square given inside. So when we discuss in first part, we discuss in square how many line of symmetry student, 4, because all sides are equal. The first line of symmetry, second line of symmetry, third line of symmetry and fourth line of symmetry, ठीक है ना। तो in this diagram we can write down 4 lines of symmetry, ठीक है, because this is the form of square student। तो by this you can find out the line of symmetry in all diagram, ठीक है। some other example I am going to show you, मतलब some other question, जैसे this is to about square। तो देखो if any diagram is given, you have to check and you have to see मतलब how we can draw the line of symmetry, how you can form the identical diagram, ठीक है ना। अब जैसे one diagram is given, this one sine of plus, ठीक है। You have to draw the line of symmetry, ठीक है ना। You have to draw the line of symmetry, देखिए how you will draw, and this boundary is also given, देखिए अब you have to draw the line of symmetry student। तो देखो this is also the form of what, this is also the form of square, so you have to draw the line of symmetry। देखो first line of symmetry, second line of symmetry, okay, now third line of symmetry, does this or fourth line of symmetry, this is little bit upside। तो देखो how many line of symmetry student, 1 2 3 and 4। तो देखो by this you can draw the line of symmetry very easily, only you have to draw the diagram very carefully, ठीक है ना, then you will find out the line of symmetry very easily। चलो another diagram students, another diagram I am going to show, जैसे hexagon is given, question number E, that was question number C, that was question E। देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, देखिए this is hexagon given student। तो इन हेक्सागन देखो all 6 साइड आर इक्वल, जैसे इन स्क्वायर देखो one concept, in square 4 side was equal, तो line of symmetry was 4, in rectangle 2 opposite sides are equal, तो line of symmetry 2, ठीक है। in equilateral triangle 3 sides are of equal length, तो line of symmetry is 3। due to that concept we can use देखो 6 lines are given and all are equal length, all are equal length, so how many line of symmetry student, you can easily say 6 line of symmetry। तो first line of symmetry you can draw, second line of symmetry you can draw, ठीक है ना। first line of symmetry and all line of symmetry will go to the line, one 2 3 4 5 6, देखो all will be passing through the word like that one, फिर देखिए 2, now this one 3 again 1 minute student. Okay student, there is a problem in cell phone. देखो, we were discuss about hexagon 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. देखिए, this is E part. So first line of symmetry you can draw like that. 1. Second 2. अब देखो third this diagonal and this one. This. Fourth this one and this one. So कैसे? 4 line of symmetry done. Now fifth you can draw this one. And sixth देखो 6. ठीक है ना? देखो this is very neat. ठीक है ना? So how many line of symmetry? 6 line of symmetry. Clear everyone? 6 line of symmetry. कैसे? I draw. ठीक है ना? Again you will practice student. चलिए. This is our hexagon. अच्छा one diagram is given. देखिए जैसे this one and one. This type of diagram is given in your book. ठीक है ना? अब देखो जैसे you have to find out line of symmetry. तो some student what they will draw like that. देखो one thing is student, if you have to find out line of symmetry ना, तो in this diagram if you draw this type of line, so this will be incorrect. Why? Because in symmetry we know the diagram should be identical and equal. Identical and equal. अब देखो when you draw the line of symmetry in the middle of this, देखो this shows upward direction. ठीक है ना? Downward direction. This is semicircle in downward direction, and this is a semicircle in upward direction. So how they are identical? They are not identical, na? Because the direction is different. Direction is different. So in this you cannot draw the line of symmetry because, ठीक है, both are semicircle, but both are in opposite direction. If this diagram was like that, ऐसे, so you can draw the line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? But this is in opposite direction. तो you cannot draw the line of symmetry. Clear everyone? चलिए. So in this you will write your not possible. Okay. चलिए. 13.2 question number 3rd. अब question number 3rd is given. Shape is given and you have to draw the rough sketch in number of line of symmetry. तो देखो this type of question we discussed in previous video. What is given? जैसे square is given. Square. So you know that square you can draw all 4 sides equal, and how many line of symmetry student? You know very well. Okay, 4 line of symmetry square. We will write down 4 line of symmetry. Clear everyone? So in square 4 line of symmetry. Circle, can you tell me circle how many line of symmetry student? So circle you know that unlimited line of symmetry. What? Unlimited line of symmetry. Clear everyone? Same rhombus is given, isosceles triangle is given, rectangle is given. So now I think you are able to solve. अब जैसे isosceles triangle is given, do you know that isosceles triangle means having in isosceles triangle student you know that two sides are of equal length student. Two sides of equal length. Clear everyone? तो देखो, two sides are of equal length यानी how many line of symmetry? Only one line of symmetry. यानी one line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? और this is what? This is isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle. Okay student? So in this only one line of symmetry. चलिए. Now move to some other question student. Some other question. जैसे can you draw a triangle having exactly one line of symmetry? अब देखो question number 4 is given. You have to draw a diagram having exactly one line symmetry. Clear everyone? You have to draw a diagram, a triangle having one line of symmetry. अब you know that student, अभी in previous question we discussed in isosceles triangle, how many line of symmetry? Only one line of symmetry. So you can write down yes in isosceles triangle. Yes in isosceles triangle only one line of symmetry. तो देखो इसी तरह क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड इज गिवन एग्जैक्टली टू लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. कैन यू टेल मी exactly two line of symmetry student? So you will say no, because you know that in isosceles triangle only one line of symmetry, in equilateral triangle two line of symmetry, and in scalene triangle no line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? तो there is no any triangle having two line of symmetry. Clear everyone? Third question, see, it is given exactly three line of symmetry. Fourth, third, exactly three line of symmetry. This is very easy student, you know very well कि what exactly three line symmetry मतलब equilateral triangle one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry and three line of symmetry. So by this you can write down, yani in this question what you will write down, yes equilateral triangle, and you will draw the diagram. ठीक है. Now next is given low line of symmetry student. No line of symmetry मतलब there should be no any line of symmetry. This is given for no line of symmetry. अब you know that in equilateral triangle three line of symmetry, in scalene triangle zero line of symmetry, in isosceles triangle one line of symmetry. So you will write down yes scalene triangle. Because scalene triangle मतलब the triangle having all sides are of different length. So if all sides are of different length, so you cannot draw any line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? Simple, clear? So I explain this question. Okay. Now come question number next. That is question number 5. चलिए देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 is given on a squared paper given ना, तो you will draw simply your copy. देखिए a triangle with horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. A triangle with horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. देखो vertical is this line, horizontal is this line. You know very well. So in this question it is given you have to draw a triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry. देखो कैसे करते हैं? If you draw the triangle like that and triangle will be isosceles. If you draw the triangle like that, here if you draw the vertical line, it is not possible for line of symmetry. You will draw this type of line. So देखो here you can see. देखो once again I am going to draw. जैसे horizontal line of symmetry you have to draw. So you will draw the triangle. This is about isosceles triangle and you will draw the line. By this you can draw the triangle, you can give the line L1. ठीक है ना? So this is what? This is about triangle having only horizontal line of symmetry. It is given the horizontal line of symmetry, but no vertical line of symmetry, because if you draw the vertical line of symmetry, the diagram will be incorrect. ठीक है ना? So only this is the possible case. ठीक? चलिए. Come on next. Next is given a quadrilateral with both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. देखो it is given a quadrilateral with having both vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. तो very easy. We can draw what? We can draw a rectangle or a triangle or a square. Because in rectangle a vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. So either you can draw the rectangle, either you can draw the what? Square. Very easy. Next is given a quadrilateral with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? A quadrilateral with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. So this question you will do yourself, use your brain. Very good question this is given. Next, a hexagon with exactly two line of symmetry, a hexagon with 6 line of symmetry. ठीक है. So now you will solve yourself all the questions student. nothing is given in this book. A hexagon 6 line of symmetry I explained. A hexagon exactly 2 line of symmetry. तो हेक्सागन एग्जैक्टली 2 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री कैसे करेंगे? जैसे यू कैन ड्रॉ द डायग्राम लाइक दैट. देखो ऐसे. तो देखो दिस इज आल्सो हेक्सागन 1 2 3 4 5 6 साइड्स आर here. तो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द हेक्सागन ओनली 2 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. ठीक है ना? हियर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग D, fifth D. It is given hexagon having 2 line of symmetry. Therefore, here only 2 possibilities. First possibility is vertical line, and second possibility is horizontal line. So this is about hexagon having 2 line of symmetry. ठीक है ना स्टूडेंट? तो देखो some question is given, you have to use your brain. ठीक है ना? अब जैसे C question given a quadrilateral with a horizontal line of symmetry, but no vertical line of symmetry. So you will find out what quadrilateral you have to draw, in which only vertical line of symmetry is given and not horizontal line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? तो you can find out one hint I am going to give. जैसे if you draw the diagram like that. ठीक है ना? You can find out in this diagram to use your brain and solve yourself. देखो concept I clear and some question also I clear. ठीक है ना? तो rest of question you will do yourself. अब देखिए 6 question you will do yourself. 7. Consider the letter of English alphabet A to Z. List among vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, no line of symmetry. अब देखो जैसे you have to draw the alphabet. Question number 7. Alphabet in which vertical line of symmetry you have to find out. तो vertical line of symmetry जैसे straight line, vertical line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. अब देखिए वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री जैसे A इज गिवन तो A ओके दिस इज वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. अगेन व्हाट यू कैन राइट डाउन H you can write down because H. तो देखो like that you can write down. Also in this H is also having horizontal line of symmetry. Or what you can draw M you can draw. तो देखो वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. ठीक है ना? अब now come to the horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? horizontal line of symmetry स्टूडेंट देखिए जैसे you can write down B. तो this type of line of symmetry B. C also you can write down जैसे C ऐसे. तो देखिए here also ठीक है ना? तो so many you can find out. E you can find out like that. ठीक है ना? चलो C ऐसे ऐसे तो this type of line. तो so many alphabet is given student. In this you can find out vertical line of symmetry. In this you find out horizontal line of symmetry. अब जैसे no line of symmetry you have to find out. No line of symmetry ना मतलब there should be no any line of symmetry. No line of symmetry कैसे करेंगे? जैसे it is given no line of symmetry. जैसे example is given no line of symmetry. देखिए P there is no line of symmetry because if you draw the line of symmetry this is unequal part, this is unequal part. अच्छा Q is also line of no line of symmetry. You cannot ठीक है ना draw the line of symmetry. Or you can find out minimum. तो in alphabet you will find out yourself. 2 example I explain. ठीक है ना? चलिए now come to the next question. तो देखो here only 2 I written ना. You will write down so many जैसे like Z you can write down or B so many is given. अब you will find out yourself. Alphabet you know that. चलिए तो this is completed. Come on exercise 13.3. 13.3 is also same student. Only you have to find out line of symmetry. 13.3 देखिए it is given the diagram You have to find out line of symmetry. देखो first diagram is given. This is like a star. देखो, you have to draw the star. My drawing is not good, so please cooperate. But I am trying. Like that. ठीक है? चलो. This is looking like star. देखो one line of symmetry, first line of symmetry, फिर second line of symmetry, again this is third line of symmetry and this is fourth line of symmetry. So this is about your star. How many line of symmetry start student? 4 line of symmetry. And in your copy you will draw very carefully because you can use ruler, but in blackboard I cannot use ruler. I am making with my hand. ठीक है ना, free hand. तो देखो, this is looking like star. And how many line of symmetry student? 4 line of symmetry. ठीक है? Clear. तो देखो, so many examples are given. Tree is given. You can draw the line of symmetry. ठीक है? अच्छा. अब देखिए, question number C. C is given. This type of diagram. ठीक है ना, देखो both in same direction, both in मतलब this is not vertical and horizontal about, this is अब जैसे in previous we discussed one diagram this, one diagram this, ठीक है ना, this is about upside and downside, but in this no case like that. So you can draw the line of symmetry, first line of symmetry like that and second line of symmetry like that, because both in the form of square. ठीक है, तो in this you can find out two line of symmetry. तो ऐसे so many examples are given, you will find out yourself. तो NCERT finished student. अब now move to the RS Agrawal. Some question we discuss about RS Agrawal. And in RS Agrawal also the concept is same. ठीक है, चलिए अब जैसे एक्सरसाइज 20 RS Agrawal it is given. Exercise 20 RS Agrawal. What is given? First question, a square. अब देखिए, it is given a square and you have to find your tip which one is correct. तो square you know that I explained 4 line of symmetry and I explained how student now you know very well. So many times I draw. Next is given a rectangle. A rectangle is, अब देखो you have to find out a rectangle is symmetrical about what. ठीक है ना? So you know that rectangle is symmetrical about its what? Its side. ठीक है ना? नहीं, rectangle is a line joining the midpoint of its opposite side. जैसे second question is given a rectangle. जैसे rectangle is this type of diagram. तो in rectangle first and second only two line of symmetry. अब it is given in option each of one its side, each of its diagonal, a line joining the midpoint of its opposite side. So C is the correct answer. How? देखो a line joining midpoint. अब देखो a line joining midpoint. देखो this line and this line joining that. So this is the midpoint and this line and this line joining that. So this is the midpoint. यानी it is given the option a rectangle is symmetrical about a line joining the midpoint of its opposite side. देखो this is opposite to this one and this is opposite to this one and the middle part of these two lines is this one and the middle part of this line is this one, मतलब same. तो according to option you will mark 3. C. A rhombus is symmetrical about student. A rhombus is symmetrical about perpendicular. ठीक है ना? तो third you will mark C. Third you will mark C. नहीं, each of its diagonal. Rhombus is symmetrical about each of its diagonal. जैसे rhombus देखो, again I am going to draw. देखिए rhombus you can draw like that. This is about rhombus. तो देखो this is first diagonal, this is second diagonal. तो rhombus is symmetrical about its diagonal because we connect two diagonals. देखो here two diagonal and here two diagonal. तो rhombus is symmetrical about its diagonal. ठीक है ना? तो third we will write down option B. देखो in this RS Agrawal देखो application is given given, मतलब you know that कि how to draw the line of symmetry, but in RS सवाल it is given in the form of MCQ कि मतलब what you will write down in the form of words, diagram you will make, but what you will write down in the form of words. तो देखो in this what you will write down कि rhombus is symmetrical about its diagonal, circle having unlimited line of symmetry, a scalene triangle has how many line of symmetry, you know that no line of symmetry. चलिए ओके, तो नाउ कम ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, काइट इज गिवन. अब देखो काइट इज गिवन ना, तो देखो काइट डिस्कस इन प्रीवियस वीडियो, अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज गिवन, डायग्राम इज गिवन. डायग्राम देखो स्टूडेंट्स, should be neat and clean because symmetrical is about diagram. This is our kite and this side is equal to this side, A, B, C, D. This single side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side, A, B, C, D. ठीक है ना. अब देखो it is given in the option कि A, B, C, D is symmetrical about what. अब you know that कि A, B, C, D is symmetrical about only S, मतलब vertical line. It means कि A, B, C, D it is symmetrical about what? This is also diagonal, this is also diagonal, so this is the diagonal BD, but this is not symmetrical about BD, this is symmetrical about diagonal what? You can write down easily diagonal AC. देखो you can see carefully, you will mark what? Diagonal AC. ठीक है ना. अब देखो this is question number 6, you can write down question number 7. Question number 7 is given, very good question is given student, and we also discussed in previous video if the letter O of the English alphabet, the letter O of English alphabet, you have to find out line of symmetry. ठीक है ना. तो देखो if circle is given, circle, तो here unlimited line of symmetry, circle is given to unlimited line of symmetry, but it is given O, so O you know that not totally circle. O if you write down very carefully, O like that, oval shape. ठीक है ना. Not totally circle. देखो if you will see in alphabet, so it will be not totally circle. This is like that oval shape. So how many line of symmetry in O student? You will write down one line of symmetry and two line of symmetry. So always remember कि in alphabet O the line of symmetry is only 2, but if circle will come they will write down unlimited line of symmetry, मतलब countless line of symmetry. ठीक है ना, because so many line can pass through the center. ठीक है ना, but in O only 2 line of symmetry. ठीक है, so there is a difference. अब question number 9 is given, 8 ना, 8 is given what? The letter Z of the English alphabet has how many line of symmetry? Can anyone tell? कि letter Z having how many line of symmetry? So you know that letter Z having just a Z, the shape of Z is like that. अब anyone want to draw the line of symmetry like that? Today this is different portion, this is different portion. If anyone just say this is Z ना, anyone draw like that. Again this is this in this direction, left hand side, and this is right hand side. So both are not symmetrical in any case. Listen everyone, both are not symmetrical in any case. In this also, in this also. So Z has no line of symmetry. Be careful student, because if you will not focus on मतलब this diagram, you will write down 2 line of symmetry. Yeah, 1 line of symmetry. कैसे? Some student draw the line vertical line, some student draw horizontal line, but this will be incorrect. ठीक है ना, clear? Because here you can see there is no any identical shape. ठीक है? तो Z having no line of symmetry. चलिए, come on question number 9. Question number 9 is also very easy. You have to only draw the line of symmetry. Only one two diagram I will explain. Let's say this is given your diagram, and another thing is given this. अब देखो this means what? This side is equal to this side. ठीक है ना? यानी the line of symmetry like that. देखो this is same part. So you will draw the line of symmetry. Again so many things given. again so many diagrams you will draw, you will do yourself. जैसे one diagram will be like that. Yes. ठीक है ना? अब you draw the line of symmetry student. So only this is the possible line of symmetry. ठीक है ना? Because when you draw the horizontal line of symmetry, this is same part, this is same part. Clear? चलो. तो student now here end of symmetry and RS as well as what? NCERT. ठीक है ना? तो I explained each and everything. You will do all question yourself, which I left. I explained maximum question. ठीक है ना? And if any confusion, you will ask. Clear everyone? To focus and solve all the question and clear it down. Clear students? Thank you.